it's Dr. Mary Beth, and I'm here with Dr. Chase.
Hello.
My chiropractor. And we're going to trade adjustments here, so we thought we'd share with you. So, what do you want me to do?
Just go ahead and lay face down.
Dr. Chase is thrilled about being on camera.
Always. It's my favorite.
Thank you for doing it.
Absolutely.
Okay. My goodness. We don't usually do that part.
I mean, we're getting some Rice Krispies in there.
Right. Well, it's been since I saw you last.
I
think that was a month ago. Right?
Something like that. Good. Raise this leg. Good. And the other one. Okay, cross your right over left. Good. Lay with your right, this is your left side. Left side up for me.
Left side up. Left side up. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Hang on. Let me attach myself. Hopefully in your way.
I don't think so. Good. Other side.
No nonsense. I like it.
Try not to.
Alright. Some days there's nonsense.
Yeah. Good. On your back.
Put it up here. Look at all these things. Lovely.
Let's do one more. Here. Okay.
What else?
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. What do you need?
Just do your thing.
Well, I don't. You want me to wipe? I'll wipe my face off. Hang on.
Okay. Not sure I need makeup.
No.
I don't think I look good with makeup on.
Might not be your shade.
No, I don't think so.
I have a little darker skin than you.
I like the facial hair scruff look.
That's a good look. You're not working today?
No.
Always Friday off?
Fridays are off.
Nice. Good.
We have my nephew's birthday. All right.
You guys partying?
Oh, sure. In the pool.
Well, in Florida, that's a good thing to do. Okay, so anything specific going on?
No.
Just touch your butt. How old is the nephew?
Turning 6.
Oh, that's a big one. But you get a massage after this.
Yep.
Right? You get one once a month.
Yep.
What else do you do for you? Because, you know, our job is very physical, right? Like, So, and you see probably 4 times the people I do. How many do you see a week?
Or over 200.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, so you get it adjusted when you can do this, right?
Yep. Adjusted, massage. I do the soft wave therapy. And I make sure I work out about 5 days a week.
Okay. Weights?
Cardio.
Well, and I know you're pretty disciplined about your sleep.
Oh, yeah. 8 hours a day.
How many?
8.
Yeah. And the kids aren't allowed to come out of their rooms until...
Heck no.
He also has 4 children. All lovely.
Mm-hmm.
But don't come out of their room until what time?
Well, with early morning swim, we've got 3 of them that come out around 6:45, 7.
Okay.
But on the weekends, it's not until about 8.
Nice. So you get time to make sure you sleep, and then you do meditation.
Yep. I get my mind right before I go out.
Yeah.
My kids appreciate it, so I don't yell at them.
Right. And your patience. You don't yell at your patience either.
Mm-hmm.
Breathe in. Out. You got more in there. Okay, let it go. Let it drop. Okay, fine. There we go. I knew there was one in there. You're pretty stiff there. Let's try here. Big breath. And out. Okay, so a little bit stiff today. This will probably do you good.
Mm-hmm.
Good. Turn your head, look to the right. Okay, back.
It's asking a lot to know my right from left.
I know, head back. I had to think too. Shrug your shoulders. Relax. Good. All right, clean up your lower neck. You were in a pretty serious car accident not that long ago, right?
Correct.
You're doing better, but you have some recovery to go through, didn't you?
Yeah.
After being on the other side, what did you learn?
Grace and empathy.
Yeah, look up and down. I think because car accidents happen so frequently, it's an easy thing to be like, just kind of move past that, but they're always like really stressful and damaging. Chin to your chest, back to the middle.
Yeah.
Press your face straight down, relax. Yeah, press your face down and relax. But you got regular, consistent care, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep. I did my adjustments 2 or 3 times a week, and then physical therapy 1 to 2 times a week, which I did in my office.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's clean up the scapula. Okay, I'm gonna have you lie on your right side.
Lie on my right side?
Face me.
Okay. So lie. Okay.
I know, I'm pushing you a little bit. That's what I'm here for, right?
Appreciate it.
Good. I see this arm. There we go, good. There, good. Let that go. I'm gonna drop this down. Good. Okay, roll the other way.
Okay.
Good. All right, and then we got Junior Olympics next week. But it all let go and we go on your back.
Caitlin's going. I'm not going.
Oh, you're not at all.
No. I could only make it for 3 races, and so I was like, oof.
Oh, that's right, because they changed the format.
Yeah.
Phone's ringing, no one's here.
Now, if all the kids were racing like they did last time at the same time, I would have gone.
Yeah.
Logistically, it was a nightmare.
Right? Because you have some in every age group, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Well, I don't have that issue. I just have the one.
Lucky you.
I'll cheer.
Thanks. Yeah, they're leaving Tuesday.
Okay. Well, hopefully your massage person can move through your thoracics a little bit. That was pretty tight.
Yeah. That happens more now.
After the accident?
Yeah.
I figured you didn't have a pedicure lately, so
No,
we're gonna leave the socks on.
I appreciate it.
This is actually how I wish I could adjust everybody is barefoot, but not everybody appreciates toes or seeing other people's toes.
That's true.
Hold the leg out. I'm gonna just check your knee. A little rotation in the femur. This is the one, the meniscus. You had it before Softwave.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's talk about that amazing machine. What's the coolest thing you've seen with the Softwave?
The coolest?
Yeah, or the best recovery. We're talking about the Shockwave treatment that we both have, the Softwave.
So, it actually came from my grandma. She has a 3-story house.
Mm-hmm.
She couldn't walk up and down her stairs, and so she had to sleep downstairs in the couch and things like that.
Mm-hmm.
And then after her initial go-around treatment plan, she was able to go up and downstairs without a problem.
Was it her knees also?
Yep.
Okay.
Both knees.
Wow.
She can dance the way that she wants to dance, and she can do all the activities where before she was limited because of the issues with her knees.
Yeah. Hold the leg out.
Okay.
That's cool. How old is your grandma?
99.
What?
Yep.
Are you kidding me?
Nope. I wish.
So she lives in a 3-story place and can go up the stairs?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
First of all, she's probably in really good overall health anyway.
Yeah.
But wow.
She race walks 55 minutes a day on Bayshore.
Hold your legs strong. You're kidding me. You're not. That's not real.
Yeah.
Okay, stand up. Let's see how that feels.
Stand up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go that way.
She used to do the 15K for the Gasparilla.
Really?
Race walk it.
Somebody wants to come see me.
And she did it in 2 hours and 30 minutes.
What?
Race walking. Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah. She just stopped at 97. Always got first because no other 97-year-old was able to.
No, yeah, you're winning everything.
Yeah.
You're winning everything
Yeah.
at that point. Good.
Awesome.
Okay, and I missed anything?
I don't think so.
Okay, good.
You got
Well,
me from head to toe.
thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank
Okay.
you.
We'll send this over to you, but
Sounds good.
thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.